Hey guys, it's Grace Pamela, Samana.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Adobe Camera Raw presets into Photoshop CC. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Filter, and you can go to Camera Raw Filter right here. Select that, and then you can go over here to Presets. Now here you'll see where you have your Adobe Camera Raw presets. You can see that I have one installed here, and if you go here, you can go to load settings, but it only lets you load like one preset at a time. So one of the first options that you'll want to, there's two ways to do it. One of them is kind of a longer route. The other one is kind of like I call it like a cheat because it's easier. It's not the way you're supposed to do it, but for me it's easier. So the first way that you can do it is you can go to where you have your camera raw settings. So you go to PC, local disk, users, your name, whatever it is on your computer, app data, roaming, Adobe, and camera raw. And then in here you'll see that you have all of your settings here. So once you have your presets, you'll see that your presets are here just the same as they are in Adobe Camera Raw. So what you would do is you would go to where your presets are on your computer, and you would literally select them all and then just drag it over here. Or the other thing you can do is select the entire folder right here, right click, copy, and then paste. And then if you go down in there and you select cancel, and you go back up to filter, it's kind of a longer way. That's why I kind of like the faster cheat way. And then you go to presets and you'll see that you have it in there. Now I'm going to delete that. I guess it's just a longer way if you have trouble finding it on your computer where you have your Adobe Camera Raw folder. So it's not really that hard, but again, it's longer. So I'm going to show you a really quick way that I like to do it so it's quicker. So you're going to want to go up here, and then this time you're going to want to hit Save Settings. Now this does not matter at all. All I'm doing is taking you to the same folder, and you'll see what I mean. So here you can see it took us to the same exact folder where I had taken you before, except you didn't have to go through your whole computer to find that folder. So it's kind of a faster cheat way to get to that folder faster. Obviously, we're not going to save anything. All we're doing is utilizing this folder while we have it open. Okay, so now we are going to do the same thing we did before, and we're going to grab our folder here. Right click, copy. Now you have to know that when you download your presets, you need to know where you saved it on your computer. I have mine on an external hard drive, so I have them organized so I can always find them easy. So make sure you save them in a place where you'll know where they are, so that way you can always find them. Okay, so right click, copy, and paste. Okay, now we don't have to press save, we can just press cancel. And then I'm going to cancel out of here, and again I'm going to load it. And there we go, we have it loaded in here. So those are the two ways that you can upload it. Again, you can either go through your folder settings directly on your computer, or you can do the little trick that I showed you to get to the folder faster, and then just copy and paste your presets over, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, you just open up the folder here, and then you can go down and you can play with the presets as needed. So I hope you learned a lot, and if you have any questions at all, let me know at support@samana.com. We are always there to help you if you get stuck. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.